Hello, welcome back to the channel. A rather wet day in Minsk today. Behind me you can see something called Moi Okriti. Sorry for my very bad Russian. It translates as we are open. So as you probably know, McDonald's decided to become very woke and left Russia last year and replaced it in Russia with something called Kushna i Tochka, which means tasty, that's it. Well, in November last year, they also left Belarus and it's been replaced with simply we are open. So let's go and check it out and see if it's the same as McDonald's or if the menu's different. So from the outside the menu looks the same, but let's go inside and see what the food tastes like. Is it the same as McDonald's or has it been completely changed? So let's see. Yep, we've got the English choice still. Yeah, so look, the menu looks pretty much the same. The Rodney burger is probably the new version of the Big Mac. We get the cheeseburgers, we get hamburgers. We get the same favourite McDonald's desserts that we had before. So yeah, the menu is exactly the same. So let's try it out. So I've got my number. Let's go and see if this tastes the same as the McDonald's cheeseburgers or if it's different now that the brand name has changed. So McDonald's first came to Belarus in 1996. Opened 3 restaurants in Minsk on the same day, then didn't open any more restaurants for another 18 years. So I've got here a cheeseburger. Looks like a McDonald's cheeseburger. Inside looks the same, but important is the taste test. Tastes the exact same as McDonald's, so McDonald's can leave in name only, but McDonald's still exists. So if you're coming to Belarus, you're looking for McDonald's, Moi Okriti, we are open. That's McDonald's. So in conclusion, in Minsk we have a lot of fast food brands. We've got KFC, we've got Burger King, we've got Domino's. So although the McDonald's logo's gone, the name's gone, it's still the same menu, the same taste. So we still have, unofficially, McDonald's. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, share across your social media networks, and let me know what other content do you want to see from Belarus. But as always, how'd I leave you? Dos viduli.